of our 75th Independence Day. Let's start our celebrations with a prayer.
Mataram Vande Mataram Sujalam Sufalam Malayaj Sitalam Sasya Shamalam Mataram Vande Mataram Subrajochna Fulakitayamini Fullakusumita Drumadana Shobini Suhasini Sumadura Bhashini Sukadam Varadam Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram.
Now, I would like to request our chief guest, Srimati Sujata Garu, to hoist the flag.
पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाता जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Ms. Sujata ma'am to address the gathering.
అందరికీ శుభోదయం. ముందుగా ఇంతటి గొప్ప అవకాశాన్ని ఇచ్చిన మన పాఠశాల నిర్వాహకులు గౌరవనీయులైన శ్రీమతి సౌమిని రెడ్డి గారికి, ప్రధానోపాధ్యాయులు మరియు ఉప ప్రధానోపాధ్యాయులకు నా ధన్యవాదాలు. వందే నితరాం భారత వసుధాం దివ్య హిమాలయ గంగా యమునా సరయు కృష్ణ శోభిత సరసం పవిత్ర హిమాలయాలు గంగా యమున కృష్ణ మొదలైన గొప్ప నదులు ప్రవహిస్తూ సస్యశ్యామల శోభితమై ప్రకాశిస్తున్న మన భారత భూమికి వందనములు. ఈనాడు మనం 75వ స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవం జరుపుకుంటున్నాం. ఈ సందర్భంగా జాతీయ పతాకాన్ని ఎగరవేయడం సగర్వంగా భావిస్తున్నాను. ఈ మన పాఠశాలలో బివి రెడ్డి పాఠశాలలో తెలుగు ఉపాధ్యాయుని అయిన నేను నా ఈ ప్రసంగాన్ని మాతృభాష అయిన తెలుగులో మాట్లాడుతున్నందుకు ఎంతగానో గర్విస్తున్నాను. ఈ 75వ స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవం సందర్భంగా విద్యార్థుల భవిష్యత్తుకు జ్ఞానం అనే పునాదులు వేసి వారి ప్రగతికి కారణమవుతున్న గురువులకు మరియు విద్యార్థులందరికీ స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవం అంటే జెండా ఎగురవేసి మిఠాయిలు పంచుకునే రోజు మాత్రమే కాదు, మన స్వేచ్ఛ, దేశ స్వాతంత్రం కోసం 200 సంవత్సరాలు పైగా పోరాడిన వీరులు ఊహాతీతమైనటువంటి కష్ట నష్టాలను లెక్క చేయక భారత మాత సంఖ్యలను తెంచడానికి పోరాడిన నిజమైన త్యాగదనులను మనమందరం ఈ సందర్భంగా స్మరించుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం ఎంతైనా ఉంది. మన జాతీయ పతాకం ఏమని సూచిస్తుంది అంటే స్వేచ్ఛతో కూడిన మార్పును సూచిస్తుంది. స్వాతంత్రానంతరం నేడు విద్యారంగంలో అనేక విధమైన మార్పులు సంతరించుకున్నాయి. ఆటపాటలతో పాటు ఆచరణాత్మకమైన విధంగా చదువుకునే అంశాన్ని అమలులోకి తెచ్చారు. ఇక సాంకేతిక పరంగా కూడా మన దేశం ఎంతగానో అభివృద్ధి చెందింది. అంతేకాదు పరిశోధించి సాధించి మీలోని ఆ నైపుణ్యాన్ని పెంచుకుంటూ దేశ ఔన్నత్యం కోసం మీరు పాటుపడుతూ విద్యార్థులైన మీరు దేశం కోసం ఎన్నో సేవలను చేయాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. దేశమును ప్రేమించుమన్నా మంచి అన్నది పెంచుమన్నా ఒట్టి మాటలు కట్టిపెట్టోయ్ గట్టి మేలు తలబెట్టబోయ్ అని ఏదైనా మనవంతు మేలును విద్యార్థులైన మీరు దేశం కోసం పౌరులైన మనమందరం కూడా చేయాలని తెలుపుకుంటూ ఈ ఉపన్యాసాన్ని ఇంతటితో ముగిస్తున్నాను. జై హింద్. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your valuable thoughts and opinions. We will definitely follow the path you have shown us. Flag song by our choir.
विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा. विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा. सदा शक्ति बरसाने वाला, प्रेम सुधा सरसाने वाला. सदा शक्ति बरसाने वाला, प्रेम सुधा सरसाने वाला. वीरों को हर्षाने वाला, वीरों को हर्षाने वाला. मातृभूमि का तन मन सारा, विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा. स्वतंत्रता की भीषण रण में लग कर बड़े जोश क्षण क्षण में. स्वतंत्रता की भीषण रण में लग कर बड़े जोश क्षण क्षण में. कावे शत्रु देख कर मन में, कावे शत्रु देख कर मन में. मिट जावे भय संकट सारा, विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा. इस झंडे के नीचे निर्भय ले स्वराज यह विचल निश्चय. इस झंडे के नीचे निर्भय ले स्वराज यह विचल निश्चय. बोलो भारत माता की जय, जय 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 जय. बोलो भारत माता की जय. स्वतंत्रता ही ध्येय हमारा, विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा. इसकी शान न जाने पावे चाहे जान भले ही जाए. इसकी शान न जाने पावे चाहे जान भले ही जाए. विश्व विजय करके दिखलावे, विश्व विजय करके दिखलावे. तब हुए प्रण पूर्ण हमारा, विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा.
Hello everyone. Now let's watch the human pyramid performed by the students of classes 8th, 9th and 10th. A human pyramid is an acrobatic formation of 3 or more people resulting in a triangular structure. So come on, let's watch and enjoy. Hello everyone. Now let's watch the human pyramid performed by the students of classes 8th, 9th and 10th. A human pyramid is an acrobatic formation of 3 or more people resulting in a triangular structure. So come on, let's watch and enjoy.
75th Independence Day at the same vigor and enthusiasm. But it is sad that this is the second time in a row of online celebrations, but joyful as all of us are safe in this dreadful pandemic. We are all at home, safe and learning. Let us realize the taste of independence and recall all the efforts put by many in those days so that we are enjoying our freedom. Let's move on to another program. Heard melodies are sweet, but those who unheard are sweeter. Many selflessly sacrificed their life for a free India. They suffered cruelly in the hands of selfish rulers. Only few names comes on our fingertips. Now let's listen to Vikram Kishore Reddy of Class 8 about the unsung heroes of our freedom right.
On the occasion of Independence Day, I wish everyone a happy Independence Day. The British ruled over our lands for a long time, but there are heroes, aren't they? They're always heroes. The ones who stand up and fight. Some get spotlight while some stay in dark but contribute as much as the others. This is true in India's freedom fighters as well. Ones who fight hard equally but never got share of limelight because they simply never cared. Their aim was seeing an independent India. As a citizen of the country, we must know about some of them. Matangini Hazra. Hazra was a part of Quit India movement and the non-cooperation movement. She kept shouting, Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram! Begum Hazrat Mahal. She was an virtual part of 1857 Indian rebellion. Potti Sri Ramulu, an avid supporter and devotee to Mahatma Gandhi. Once Mahatma Gandhi said, if I have 11 followers like Sri Ramulu, I would win freedom in an year. Bikaji Kama. Although there are numerous roads and buildings named after her around the country, she is not only a freedom fighter, she is also a figure of gender equality. She donated most of her efforts to orphanage girls. She unfolded the Indian Congress flag at Stuttgart, Germany at International Social Conference. N.G. Ranga. He is a prominent figure of Indian Persian movement. He is a guardian and led the riot agitation in 1933. The brave heart is considered the champion of Indian Persian movement. Garimella Satyanarayana. He is a motivational writer from Andhra Pradesh. He used to write inspirational poems to inspire people from Andhra Pradesh to join the movement against Britishers. Senapati Bapat. As the leader of Mulshi Satyagraha, he got the title of Senapati. He hoisted the Indian flag after independence for the first time. Aruna Asaf Ali. You have heard about her. When she was 33 years old, she gained some prominence of hoisting the Indian national flag at Gwalior Tank Maidan 1942. Thank you.
Now we have our little chance to tell us about the spirit of free India and the excellent philosophical thoughts given by some of our freedom fighters. Let me now present Moksha as Jhansi Lakshmibai, Ashwit as Bhagat Singh, Tamsi Reddy as Sarojini Naidu, Hetan as Balagangadhar Tilak, Dhanvi Verma as Kitturi Rani Chennamma, and Charita Sri as Durgabai Deshmukh.
And Jhansi Kirani, Jhansi Lakshmi Boy, we fight for independence in the words of Lord Krishna. We will, if we are victorious, enjoy the fruits of victory. If defeated and killed on the field of battle, we will surely earn eternal glory and salvation. Jai Hind.
I, Bhagat Singh, my main aim is to kick out the Britishers from my country, India. They may kill me, but they cannot kill my ideas. They may crush my body, but they cannot crush my spirit. Revolution is an inalienable right of mankind. Freedom is a bright right of all.
Ganga Tilak. Swaraj is my birthright, and I shall have it. If God is put up with untouchability, I will not call him God. Our nation is like a tree, of which the original trunk is Swarajya, and the branches are Swadeshi and Boycott. Jai Hind! Hi friends! Good morning to all. My name is Danvi Verma. I am going to perform as a Kittu Rani Chennamma. She is the first woman freedom fighter in India. Jai Hind! Bye friends! Namaste. I am Durgavar Deshmukh, freedom fighter, member of Constituent Assembly. Be courageous, Ashtra, don't fear. Jai Hind.
This presentation remembered as the real heroes of our independence. This presentation was very courageous. स्वतंत्रता के लिए लड़ने वाले महान पुरुषों के बलिदान, संघर्षों के बारे में और युवाओं के कर्तव्य के बारे में बताने के लिए भविष्य आ रही है।
मेरा नाम भविष्य है। मैं 9वीं कक्षा में पढ़ रही हूँ। हमारे प्रधान अध्यापक जी को, गुरुजनों को, भाइयों को और बहनों को और सभी छात्र छात्राओं को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। मेरी मातृभूमि भारत का 75वां शुभ दिन वास्तव में हमारे लिए गौरव का क्षण है। इस दिन हम श्रद्धांजलि देने के लिए और अपने नेताओं द्वारा किए गए संघर्षों को याद करते हुए स्वतंत्रता दिवस मना रहे हैं। आज हमारे देश की एक हिस्से से दूसरे हिस्से तक हर व्यक्ति भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय के नारे कर रहे हैं। स्वतंत्रता हमें इतनी आसानी से नहीं मिली, इसके पीछे कई संघर्ष और बलिदान है। जिस भूमि पर हम सांस ले रहे हैं वह कहा महापुरुषों की संघर्ष की बदौलत है, जैसे गांधी जी, नेहरू जी, सुभाष चंद्र बोस, लाला लाजपत राय, भगत सिंह, अल्लूरी सीताराम राजू, चंद्रशेखर आजाद आदि महापुरुषों की बलिदान का कारण है। युवा होने के नाते समस्याओं को देखने और तुरंत उसकी समाधान खोजने की आवश्यकता है, जैसे गरीबी, अशिक्षा, बेरोजगारी आदि समस्याओं से लड़ना होगा। प्रिय दोस्तों, एकता में ताकत है, इसीलिए हमें मिलजुल कर होना होगा। कड़ी मेहनत करें और अपने हर दोस्तों और दुश्मनों से एक जैसे बताइए कि हमारे देश की कल्याण और प्रगति के लिए दिन रात मेहनत करना हमारी कर्तव्य है। जय हिंद, जय भारत। धन्यवाद। Wow, the speech was very informative. Now, the next program is about identifying the freedom fighters when they were in our age.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Happy Independence Day.
Thank you, ma'am. You should say.
Now, I will stick our national flag. You can see saffron, white, green. Children, can you see circle in the middle?
Yes, ma'am.
That's called Ashok Chakra. So, on this occasion, can we play a quiz on our beloved national leaders?
Yes, ma'am.
I will display the childhood photos of our leaders and you have to guess who it is. Are you ready, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Here we go with the first picture.
Ma'am, I guess it is Sarojini Naidu, ma'am.
Yes, Sarojini Naidu was a great poet. She is also known as Nightingale of India. Here comes the second one.
Ma'am, I guess it is Mahatma Gandhi.
Yes, it is Mahatma Gandhi. He is father of nation. The third one.
I think it's Balgangadhar Tilak, ma'am.
No, he is our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. His birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. He is also known as Chacha Nehru. The fourth one.
I think it's Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, ma'am.
Yes, it is right answer. Now we have.
Ma'am, I guess It is Bhagat Singh, ma'am.
Yes, it is Bhagat Singh, the sixth one.
I think it's Lala Lajpati Rai, ma'am.
No, he is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and the last one.
She is Rani Lakshmi Bai.
Yes, she is Rani Lakshmi Bai. She is also known as Manikarnika. Very good children, you all did a good job.
Thank you, ma'am.
Varshit, you won the first prize.
Thank you, ma'am.
Raghav, you won the second prize.
Thank you, ma'am.
Jananya, you won the third prize.
Thank you, ma'am.
Once again, I am wishing you Happy Independence Day, children.
Thank you, ma'am. Jai Hind.
சுதந்திர இந்தியாவின் இன்றைய நிலைமையும் மேலும் முன்னேறுவதற்கான வழிகளை பற்றியும் கூற வருகிறார் 8ஆம் வகுப்பு சஞ்சய்குமார்.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். இனிய சுதந்திர தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். இந்தியா 1947ஆம் ஆண்டு ஆகஸ்ட் 15ஆம் தேதி நள்ளிரவில் சுதந்திர தேசமானது. 200 ஆண்டுகளாக ஆங்கிலேயர்களுக்கு அடிமைப்பட்டிருந்தோம். ஆனால் இன்று வரையறுக்கப்பட்ட சட்டங்களால் வரையறுக்கப்படாத சிலருக்கு அடிமைப்பட்டிருக்கிறோம். இன்று நம் இந்தியா 75ஆம் ஆண்டு சுதந்திர தினத்தை கொண்டாடுகிறது. ஆனால் நாம் உண்மையில் அதை யாரும் கொண்டாடுவதில்லை. காரணம் என்னவென்றால் நம் மக்கள் தொகையில் 56% பேர் தங்கள் அடிப்படை தேவைகளை பூர்த்தி செய்ய இயலாத நிலையில் உள்ளனர். 65% இருந்த விவசாய நிலம் இப்போது 25% குறைந்துவிட்டது. இவ்வாறு சென்றால் உணவு பஞ்சம் ஏற்படும். உணவு பஞ்சத்தை தவிர்க்க அனைவருக்கும் வாய்ப்பு கொடுக்க வேண்டும். சுதந்திரம் என்பது 6 எழுத்து கொண்ட மந்திரம். சுதந்திரம் என்பது ஒருவர் கொடுப்பதும் அல்ல, ஒருவர் பெறுவதும் அல்ல. அது அவர்களுடைய இரத்தத்தில் இரத்தமாக கலந்து உயிரோடு உயிராக வளர வேண்டும். சில முன்னேற்றங்கள், சில குறைபாடுகள், அத்தகைய சமத்துவமின்மை, வறுமை, வேலையின்மை, ஊழல், கல்வி அறிவின்மை முதலியன எழுந்துள்ளன. நாம் நமது நாடு உலகில் ஒரு சிறந்த நாடாக உருவாக்குவோம் என்று இன்று ஒரு உறுதிமொழி எடுக்க வேண்டும். நன்றி. ஜெய் ஹிந்த்.
Wow, the speech was wonderful. We were born in a free India and seldom realized the value of liberty to do many activities without giving a second thought. But here we present Tirupur Kumaran, who lost his life to save dignity of piece of a cloth for Britishers, and we value it utmost as it is our national flag.
This is the story of Tirupur Kumaran, also known as Kodikatta Kumaran. Once there lived a young man in Tirupur called Kumaraswamy Mudaliyar, but to everyone he was known as Kumaran. He was born into a family of weavers blessed with his loving parents Nachimuttu and Karupai. He got more inspiration from the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. He followed the procedures and methods which were suggested by Gandhiji in the Indian freedom movement. He founded Desabandhu Youth Association that led many protests against the British. In 1932, Kumaran organized a protest march against the British. He was carrying the Indian flag which was banned by the British. This enraged British officials who then began assaulting the protesters, including Kumaran, insisting him to put the flag down. Kumaran held on to the Indian flag even after being repeatedly beaten. He was mortally wounded, and even when he fell into a faint before dying, he clung on to the Indian flag, ensuring it did not fall to the ground. This incident gained him the title Kodikatta Kumaran. Kumaran, the savior of the national flag. He passed away at the age of 28, but his sacrifice still remains. In October 2004, a stamp on Tirupur Kumaran was released in Chennimalai in Erode district of Tamil Nadu to commemorate his 100th birth anniversary. He is an icon of patriotism to the youth.
స్వాతంత్ర్య దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. భారతదేశం ఒక పుణ్యభూమి. ప్రపంచంలోనే భిన్నత్వంలో ఏకత్వాన్ని సాధించిన ఏకైక ఆదర్శ దేశం మనది. మన దేశం సంస్కృతి సాంప్రదాయాలను, ఆచార వ్యవహారాలను, భగవద్గీత అనే జ్ఞాన దీపాన్ని, సర్వమత సమ్మేళన సందేశాన్ని కానుకగా అందిస్తున్న దేశం మనది. మహాభారతం, రామాయణం, భాగవతం మొదలైన ఆదర్శ గ్రంథాలకు జన్మనిచ్చిన ధర్మ భక్తి భూమి భారత భూమి. శాస్త్ర పరిజ్ఞానాన్ని, ఆయుర్వేద వైద్యాన్ని ప్రపంచానికి అందించినది మన దేశమే. కావున నాటి నుండి నేటి వరకు భారతదేశం యొక్క వైభవం అద్భుతం, అమోఘం. అలాంటి అద్భుత భారతదేశానికి ఆంగ్లేయులు కేవలం వ్యాపార నిమిత్తం వచ్చి సుస్థిర స్థానాన్ని ఏర్పాటు చేసుకొని దాదాపు 200 సంవత్సరాలు పరిపాలించారు. అలాంటి పరిస్థితులలో భరతమాత దాశ శృంఖలాలను తొలగించుటకు భగత్ సింగ్, అల్లూరి సీతారామరాజు, బిపిన్ చంద్రపాల్, లాలా లజపతి రాయ్, బాలగంగాధర్ తిలక్, మహాత్మా గాంధీ మొదలైన స్వాతంత్ర్య సమరయోధుల కృషి ఫలితంగా నేడు మన దేశంలో కాశ్మీర్ నుండి కన్యాకుమారి వరకు, కటక్ నుంచి అటక్ వరకు ఉవ్వెన్నెల జెండా రెపరెపలాడుతోంది. కావున స్వాతంత్ర్య సమరయోధుల దివ్య స్మృతి పదానికి అంజలి ఘటిస్తూ నాటి త్యాగాలు, నాటి బలిదానాలను నేటి తరం గుర్తించుకోని కారణంగా, యువతరం సమాజ బాధ్యత మర్చిపోయిన కారణంగా దేశం నేటికి అనేక సమస్యలతో, అశాంతితో, అభద్రతతో, అనారోగ్యంతో దేశం కూనరిల్లుతూ ఉంది. దేశ ప్రజలలో స్వార్థం మితిమీరుతోంది. మమకారం జాతి జనులలో లోపిస్తున్నది. కాబట్టి కోట్లాది మంది భారతీయులందరూ భారతమాత వైభవం ప్రపంచం నలుదిశలా వ్యాపించేలా దేశ సరిహద్దుల పరిరక్షణలో, సామాజిక న్యాయం కోసం, సామాజిక సమానత్వం కోసం మనం మన రంగాలలో సమగ్రంగా పనిచేసి ఉజ్వల భారతాన్ని నిర్మించడానికి యువతరం ముందుకు రావాలి. అంతేకాకుండా ఇప్పుడు త్యాగాలు, బలిదానాలు అక్కర్లేదు. బాధ్యతగా ప్రజలు జీవించగలిగితే, తోటి వారికి చేయూతను అందించగలిగితే, ఎదుటి వారికి కన్నీటిని తొడవగలిగితే, ఆకలి అన్నవానికి ఆకలి తీర్చే కనీస బాధ్యత గల పౌరులుగా మారగలిగితే ఈ దేశం సౌభాగ్యంతో సస్యశ్యామలంగా సుభిక్షంగా ముందుకెళ్లగలదు. జై హింద్.
This speech was imaginative. Now, here we have Pushkar Reddy of Class 4 to recite a poem, We Are Indians First.
We all are Indians first. History is our witness, and martyrs are the God. We are disciples of gurus. This land is saints' abode. Compassion is our heritage. In humanity do we trust. Neither Hindu nor Muslim. We all are Indians first. Diversity is our culture, and unity is our strength. We strive for peace of world, but are cautious of defense. Challenger of our sovereignty, for sure, would bite the dust. Neither content nor warrior. We all are Indians first. Perseverance is our ethos, and diligence is our means. We pledge to usher in dawn our ancestors saw in dreams. We ain't shy of hard work. For us, rest is rest. Neither Tamil nor Sindhi. We all are Indians first. This is a poem written by Dr. Prashant Bhatt. Jai Hind.
The next presentation is about the first woman freedom fighter of India and the first woman queen who bravely opposed the British and won the war against them. There is one more thing that takes to her credit. The first human bomb was used by her commander-in-chief, which demolished the British army completely and helped her to capture her territory back. Let me now present a quiz in the form of a skit.
Hello, friends.
Hi, Akshaya.
We know that today also you have come with a great story.
Exactly. What is today's story?
Well, today I came with a great story of a brave fighter. It is a story of a great queen who fought against British.
Yes, I know. It is the story of Rani Lakshmibai, isn't it?
No, it is the story of Velu Nachiyar.
Velu Nachiyar?
Yes, Veeramangai Velu Nachiyar.
We are excited to know about Velu Nachiyar.
This is a story of revenge and bravery by most courageous queen of India who ruled 100 years before Jhansi Rani. She made a history, a very first Indian queen to defeat the British. In 1730, Velu Nachiyar born to Chellamuttu Vijay Raghunatha Sethupathi and Muttattal Nachiyar. She was trained in sword fighting, archery, Valari, and Silimbam. In addition to Tamil, she was proficient in English, French, and Urdu. She was married to the prince of Shivaganga kingdom, Muttu Vadaganatha Thevar. They had a baby girl named Vellachinachiyar. On one fine day in 1772, the king went for usual worship of Shiva temple. All of a sudden, the British secretly attacked the king and killed him and looted the temple's treasure. After hearing this news, Velunachiyar was shocked of her husband's murder. She and her child escaped to Virupakshi with the help of her ministers. The Marudha brothers of Shivaganga army also joined her. Velunachiyar's royal bodyguard Udayal was tortured to reveal where their queen was hiding, but the faithful Udayal did not yield and hence was killed mercilessly. In the memory of Udayal, she formed a women army called Udayal Army. Quili was the commander of the Udayal army. In the dense forest, she trained the women army. Nawab of Mysore offered her infantry and cavalry to fight. The arms and ammunition that Udayal army had was still weaker in comparison to what the British had, but Velunachiyar had a master plan. Vijayadashmi was the day when the fort would be open for the public. The plan was for Quili and her Udayal army to mingle with the public and infiltrate the fort. But the brothers and their army, Quili and her Udayal army, and Velunachiyar were all set. 1780, the day of Vijayadashmi, Quili and her army went inside the fort and started attacking the British. Then Quili rushed to the ammunition storehouse and poured a pot full of ghee from the temple, lit herself and jumped to the ammunition storehouse. All the ammunition stored by the British was blown up and then Velunachiyar's army entered the scene. They fought violently, crushed the British forces, took their revenge and Velunachiyar regained her kingdom. After regaining her kingdom, Velunachiyar ruled for 10 glorious years. In 1796, the valiant queen died. On December 31st, 2008, a stamp was released in her remembrance. Let us all salute the brave queen, Veeramangai Velunachiyar.
Now you have known who is the first woman freedom fighter of India. She is none other than Velunachiyar. The skit was phenomenal. Evolution of Bharat Mata. How did the Bharat Mata image evolve through years? Who drew it? Who painted it? How did the leaders create the Bharat Mata image in their own style? And how it became the icon of Indian freedom struggle? Look at the temples of Bharat Mata.
What happened, Dhruv? Why are you looking so sad? Brother, for the past 1 year, I am not celebrating Independence Day in my school with my friends, so I am very sad. Oh, brother, don't worry. Come on, let's celebrate in your house. Brother, why are you keeping this photo? Oh, Dhruv, it is our original Bharat Mata photo. Sit, let me make you know about the evolution of Bharat Mata. Abanindranath Tagore, the principal artist and the creator of Indian Society of Oriental Art, was born in August 1871. It is said that the work depicts a saffron-clad woman dressed like Sadhvi holding a book, sheaves of paddy, a piece of white cloth and Rudraksh rosary in her 4 hands.
Dhruv, not only that, we have temples of Bharata Mata in various parts of our country. Bengali nationalist Kiran Chandra Bande Upadhyaya's play, performed in 1873, also mentioned a temple of Bharata Mata. Bharata Mata Mandir, constructed in 1936, was 1.5 kilometers south of Varanasi Junction railway station and 6 kilometers north of Banaras Hindu University. This temple has a huge map of undivided carved marble and it is world's famous temple. Bharat Mata have a beautiful statue in Kanyakumari.
The identity of nation, as you know, is most often symbolized in a figure or an image. It was in the 20th century, with the growth of nationalism, The idea of identity was also associated with the image of Bharat Mata. The image was first created by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. In 1870s, he wrote Vande Mataram as a hymn in his novel Anandamath and was also widely sung during the Swadeshi movement in Bengal. A tricolor flag was also designed during this period of time. Bipin Chandra Pal, the Indian journalist and also the early leader of nationalist movement, elaborated the meaning in idealizing and idealist terms, along with Hindu philosophical traditions and devotional practices. It represented an archaic spiritual essence, the transcendental idea of universe, and as well as expressing universal Hinduism and nationhood.
Now definitely you all know the evolution of Bharat Mata. It is very inquisitive to watch.
I can say it is just outstanding. Now let's move on to another program. India is an ornament of the world. It has a very unique culture seen nowhere else in the world. India is filled with brave young men and women, where mother sends her sons to protect motherland's pride. Now here we have Darshini, Purandeshwari, Janusha, Aishwarya, Hamsika to present a beautiful dance to uplift independence momentum.
ये देश है वीर जवानों का अलबेलों का मस्तानों का इस देश का यारों क्या कहना ये देश है दुनिया का गहना आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमान के तले चक दे इंडिया हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल भर जानी जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी 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 मेरा रंग दे मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला माए रंग दे मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला माए रंग दे मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला रंग दे रंग दे रंग दे बसंती चोला माए रंग दे पाँव में पायल हाथ में कंगन हो माथे पे बिंदिया పసిబోసి చిరునవ్వురా దాస్య సంకెళ్ళు తెంచిందిరా ఈ జెండ అమరుల తుది శ్వాసరా రక్త తిలకాలు దిద్దిందిరా వీర స్వాతంత్ర పోరాట తొలి పిలుపురా మన వెలలేని త్యాగాల ఘన చరితరా తన తనుబాలతో పోరు నేర్పిందిరా పొరి కొయ్యల్ని చేసిందిరా ఆ తెల్లో నిండ పసిబోసి చిరునవ్వురా దాస్య సంకెళ్ళు తెంచిందిరా ఈ జెండ అమరుల తుది శ్వాసరా రక్త తిలకాలు దిద్దిందిరా శాస్త్రానికి జ్ఞానానికి ఆది గురువురా మన దేశం మానవాళికే వైతాళిక గీతం రా భారతం
लंदन देखा पेरिस देखा लंदन देखा पेरिस देखा और देखा जापान माइकल देखा एल्विस देखा सब देखा मेरी जान सारे जग में कहीं नहीं है दूसरा हिंदुस्तान दूसरा हिंदुस्तान दूसरा हिंदुस्तान जब छेड़ा बलहार किसी ने आग लगा दी पानी में जब सात सुरों का संगम ये जीवन गीतों की माला हम अपने भगवान को भी कहते हैं बांसुरी वाला बांसुरी वाला ये मेरा इंडिया आई लव माय इंडिया ये मेरा इंडिया आई लव माय इंडिया
గగన వీధి చూడరా కంఠమెత్తి పాడరా గగన వీధి చూడరా కంఠమెత్తి పాడరా ఎంత ఎత్తు ఎదిగినదో ఈ దేశపు మన జెండా గగన వీధి చూడరా కంఠమెత్తి పాడరా ఎంత ఎత్తు ఎదిగినదో ఈ దేశపు మన జెండా గగన వీధి చూడరా కంఠమెత్తి పాడరా వందే మాతరమనగా వందనంబు సేయరా వందే మాతరమనగా వందనంబు సేయరా జనగణమని పాడరా జెండా ఎగరేయరా జనగణమని పాడరా జెండా ఎగరేయరా గగన వీధి చూడరా కంఠమెత్తి పాడరా ఎంత ఎత్తు ఎదిగినదో ఈ దేశం మన జెండా గగన వీధి చూడరా కంఠమెత్తి పాడరా
It's my pleasure as a head girl to render my vote of thanks. I thank our beloved correspondent ma'am, loving principal sir, Benjamin ma'am, and all the teaching and non-teaching staff and all my friends and students who have participated in these celebrations and made this function a grand success. Thank you all. Jai Hind.
Finally, permit to wind up today's program by saluting the national flag once again and offering my liberal respects duly avowing feet of Bharat Mata, the goddess of democracy. Let us uphold the spirit of nationalism by being truthful to Mother India and bring in many, many laurels. I promise on behalf of BVDD School that we will behold the pride of the nation.